Hello everyone, I'm Layman with Milgard Windows and Doors, and welcome to another episode of Know Your Window. Today, we're looking at the V400 Tuscany Series casement window. A top-notch vinyl product that's ideal for new construction or replacement applications, the V400 casement window is sure to enliven your interior space and enhance your home's curb appeal. Its wide frame profile and even sightlines provide a timeless look. But the V400's aesthetic allure doesn't stop there. It's chock full of aesthetic options that can satisfy any taste. The Tuscany Series casement window is available in numerous colors, including white, silver, bronze, and classic brown. What's more, we recently upgraded our color options by offering black capstock on many of our V400 series products. Capstock windows are manufactured using a cutting-edge co-extrusion process that fuses the capstock material, a high-performance acrylic layer, directly with the window's vinyl core during the production process. This seamless integration ensures that the capstock layer becomes an integral part of the window, providing a stronger and more durable bond than other finishes applied after production. We also have several grid options on the Tuscany Series casement windows. You'll find grid designs that suit your style whether you want flat grids, sculptured grids, simulated divide lights, or a check rail. Plus, our grid pattern options are practically unlimited. And for those rooms in the house where you require privacy, we have an assortment of decorative glass options, including rain glass, frosted glue chip, and Delta Frost. The aesthetic craftsmanship continues with the folding nesting handle, which practically disappears from view when closed. The V400 Tuscany Series casement window was designed with functionality in mind. It's easy to open and swings out wide for proper ventilation. And when your V400 casement window is open, you can keep bugs and debris out with our standard mesh screen. We also offer our Pure View screen that has a finer mesh, making it nearly imperceptible, allowing the homeowner to take in the view without distraction. Energy efficiency is another important feature of the V400. Thanks in part to its unique vinyl formula, the V400 boasts a superior energy performance that will help keep your interior space comfortable regardless of the season. The window's warm edge spacer system helps lower conductivity, and our low E glass and argon gas options further enhance the window's energy efficiency. In addition to all the benefits we've already mentioned, the V400 casement window also perfectly complements the other windows and doors in the V400 series. Plus, they're all backed with a full lifetime warranty. The V400 casement window is now available for your next renovation or new construction project. For more information, contact your local Milgard Windows and Doors representative or visit milgard.com. We hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.